Are you ready to party, or worried you will get burned? Exposing the sparks in the sky, and how to enjoy them safely. Do not let a stray spark ruin your new year. Quick rules for a safe new year. Keep your distance. Watch from a cleared area. Never light fireworks in your hand. Set them on flat ground. Then step back. Keep water in a bucket nearby. Never relight a dud. Keep kids indoors and supervised. Keep pets indoors and supervised. Follow local laws. Buy only labeled fireworks. Celebrate loud, celebrate smart. Bring, Happy New Year.